So in this quick tutorial, we're going to cover how to add users to Google Search Console. Whether you're working with a freelancer, an SEO agency, or someone on your team, giving the right kind of access can help people you're working with get better insights to your website and get the most out of your search data. However, the wrong access might prevent them from carrying out the work you hired them to actually do. So we'll quickly go over the why and different access levels. If you'd like to skip ahead to the tutorial part, you can use the timestamp below. So why give someone access to Google Search Console? Let's say you've hired an SEO specialist, a content strategist, or a developer who's helping you improve your website. They'll need access to Google Search Console to check things like accurate keyword performance, straight from Google, showing the exact search queries your pages are ranking for, indexing and crawling issues, site errors, core web vitals, and other important data Google uses to understand and rank your website. Unlike third-party tools like SEMrush that give estimated data, Google Search Console gives you real search data directly from Google, specific to your own website. So it's much more reliable when it comes to measuring what's actually working and finding new opportunities. So there are three types of users in Google Search Console. You've got the owner. This is full access and control. They can add and remove users, change settings, pretty much everything. Usually this is you or the business owner. Then we've also got full user. This person can view all data and take most actions. This is perfect for SEO freelancers or agency partners. And lastly, we've got restricted user. This one is view only access, so it's ideal for clients who just want to check on performance without clicking around or breaking anything. At this current time, you can't customize permissions beyond these levels, so it's important you assign the correct one to not have to change it later on. Now let's jump into the actual process. It only takes a minute, and here's how you do it. Go to Google Search Console and log in. If you don't have a property currently added, then this might not be the correct account. So make sure when you sign in, you do have access to your property in the top left. And once you're inside, you want to scroll all the way down to settings. Under users and permissions, click add user. This will prompt you to put in that email address, so make sure you do that. So I'm just going to add a random one. And here are the permission levels that you can choose. So I'm just going to go with full, add, and this will automatically give me access to this property for Google Search Console on that account. When you're adding that email address, it doesn't have to be a Gmail address, but they will need a email that is connected to a Google account. So either a Gmail, a Google Workspace, or an email hosted somewhere else like a custom domain email that is connected to Google account, because GSC is a Google service and that's the only way you can access it. But once you've done that, that's everything. They'll get access immediately and can start working inside the property. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, then drop a like and a sub. And if you have any questions or need help with anything, then drop a comment and I'll be sure to help you out.